Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today is Stitch Fix Day. I have to confess, this is my second time recording this. We had a technical issue. So I have actually opened my box already. So yeah, me and technology. Ugh. But anyway, I'll just go through. You get a box with clothes in it. And in that box, you will get a return label for anything that you don't want to send back. You get an invoice with the price of each item. And you also get a wee style card with a note from your stylist. So I'm just going to quickly go through this today because I tend to waffle and I want to stop the waffling and just get down to the nitty gritty. And there she goes waffling. Okay. Right, so I asked my stylist this time. I asked for a different stylist because we had such a disaster last time. I didn't keep any of my items. None of it worked. So I asked for a different stylist this time. And I was still on the lookout for a cardigan. I wanted a buttonless sort of long cardigan and also still after a gym top. So let's have a look and see what they sent. As I say, I've already opened it. I've already done this. So I know what I've got, but you guys don't. So we'll go through it anyway. So I got a cardigan, but it does have buttons, as you can see. It's got buttons. And it's by Morvette, which is Stitch Fix's own brand. And it's not a long cardigan, it's a short cardigan. It's got sort of frilly detail on the cuffs there. And it's soft, it's a nice soft knit. Wanted to try it on, but it wasn't really what I asked for, but we'll see. I got a gym top, so they did send me a gym top. And it's by Sweaty Betty. So we know this is going to be very expensive for a gym top. But it's got a racer back and like a mesh sort of detail. And yeah, it looks like it'll be quite loose, which is what I like for the gym. I don't want any of my tops sort of clinging to me. Yeah, we'll try it on, see what it likes. That's so good. It's all black, I should say. Everything's all black. There's no colour in this box at all. Everything's black. And then got a jumper. It's quite nice actually. It's lovely and soft, and it's got, I don't know if it'll pick up the texture, but it's quite a fluffy kind of texture to it. But it's just a plain black jumper, and that's by Villa. And then we got a pair of trousers, and they're by Thought. There's pockets, and just pair of trousers, drawstring waist. That's it, yeah. And we got another pair because I asked for joggers. I wanted some jogger trousers, ones that you could dress down, pair of trainers, dress up, nice pair of boots, and ones for just lounging around the house in. So another pair of trousers, black trousers, again with a drawstring waist, and also again with pockets. But these ones have an elasticated ankle. And they're by Thought as well. So yeah, plain black trousers. So that's that. I'll quickly read the note from my stylist because obviously I've not got what I wanted in the sense of the cardigan. The jogger trousers I actually asked for a stripe down the side. So yeah, I'll just quickly read what she said to me. So, hello Kelly, thank you for your requests. I love that you know exactly what you want. Firstly, I want to apologise as we didn't have any long line buttonless cardigans. However, I included the Morvette frill sleeve cardigan as it's a bit looser and longer in the body, so might be easier to wear than the Oasis cardigan in your last fix. I included 2 pairs of trousers, both from the brand Thought. The Thought Emerson slacks have the elasticated cuff at the ankle because that's what I asked for. However, the Thought drawstring trousers does not, but they are still tapered, in which creates a similar effect. Let me know which one you prefer or whether you love them both. Lastly is the Sweaty Betty vest, which is hopefully the looser fit that you're after. If you want a tee or longer sleeve for winter, please let us know. I hope you love this fix. Best, Carmen. So my stylist is Carmen this time. And they also then include a wee style guide on how you can style each item that you've received. So that's everything. I'm just going to get straight into trying everything on and we'll see how it all goes. Okay, so I've started with the jumper and the Thought Emerson slacks, they've called them. That's the ones with the elasticated ankle. The jumper is really soft. I do actually quite like this, and it'll be really cosy in the winter. It's just a plain black cardigan. There's not much you can say about it, but I do like it. So it will depend on the cost, but I like it. And you can, I suppose, turn them up a wee bit like that. Aye, it's a nice jumper, that. I think it's an okay fit. Nice length on me. Yep, happy with that. I say it just depends on the cost. The bottoms, I think they're alright. They're comfy, definitely comfy. I like again. And these ones, yeah, if I got a pair of, I don't know, maybe like peep toe boots or something like that, I think these would look quite nice with them. Or again, just with trainers, just dressed down casual. I do like these, they're so comfy. They're really lightweight, but they really are very comfortable. So yeah, again, depends on price. So speaking of which, I will do the price of these two items. So the Emerson trousers are £42. Size medium, these ones. And my jumper, the Villa jumper, is £28. That's, yeah, I'd be happy to pay £28 for that. £42. I'll need to think about that. Because they are very lightweight. I mean, there's not much to them, there's not much detail, and it's just plain black trousers. Okay, so I will go and try on the other trousers with I'll put it on with the Sweaty Betty gym top. Why not? Good combo. Okay, so I've put the cardigan on as well. The cardigan's definitely a no. I mean, even I haven't done it right up, but I can tell it's going to pull if it's done up. I'm not keen on it. I'm not keen at all. I mean, it's very soft, but it's just not my style. I was looking for something a bit more casual, say long line, just a throw on. I can't even get this button undone, there we go. Just a throw on kind of cardigan, and no, it's not me. No, but there we go. Right, so here we go. Oh, I'm all tangled up. A good combination here of a gym top with some trousers. It's a racer back. Obviously I wouldn't wear it with this bra, I'd have my sports bra on, but as long as the label from the trousers sticking in there. I think I made it worse. It's all bent. It's long. Yeah, it's just a plain back top. Depends on the price. It's Sweaty Betty. It's going to be expensive. So the trousers, they're high-waisted. Pockets again with a drawstring. I think they're too short in the leg. I don't really wear trousers, to be perfectly honest. I do jeans, I do leggings, and I've got the odd jogger, but I don't really do trousers. So is that the length trousers are supposed to be? They're nice, they're comfortable. I just don't think I would wear them. They're not my style at all, so I don't think I'd wear them. So anyway, pricing for the cardigan, size 14, Morvette, Evie frill sleeve button through cardigan, £36. Sweaty Betty top, size medium, £40. £40. Why is Sweaty Betty so expensive? And you just sweat. I mean, it's Sweaty Betty, and you do literally sweating it. And yeah. These trousers, the Thought Katie drawstring trousers, size 14, £54.95. No, definitely not. I'm not keeping a pair of trousers at £55. I don't wear trousers. No. So that's everything that's in the box. I'd love to know your thoughts on them. I think for me, the keepers are the jumper, and I'm on the fence about the Emerson slacks, as they've called it here because we're very American. The Emerson trousers, the ones with the elasticated ankle, they're £42. I need to look at the bank balance, see if I can afford them. But anyway, altogether, all my items came to £295. If I was to keep all 5 items, I'd get the 20% discount of £40.19, which takes it down to £160.76. Deduct my £10 styling fee, £150.76 for all 5 items. That I think is one of the cheaper boxes I've had, to be honest with you. But I think I'm going to keep the jumper. I do like the jumper. That was only £28. So I think I will keep that. I just need to make up my mind about the joggy bottoms. So let me know what you think. Please comment below. I would love to know your comments on your thoughts on that. On my very black box. Everything's black. But yes, so that's it. So short and sweet today. And I should be back very soon. And I look forward to hearing from you all. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye. So, how does Stitch Fix works? Well, first of all, you click my link below and you will get £15 off of your first fix. And you will then be asked to fill out a style guide where you tell them your size in top, bottoms, shoes, bra, everything. You tell them what proportions your body is, if you like long on top, short on bottom, or vice versa. You tell them if you like to show off, say, your cleavage or your legs or even your shoulders. You tell them if there's anything you don't like. So like for me, I don't like animal print. So I have that in my style guide. I don't do animal print. But you might love animal print. So you tell them you love animal print and they will send you animal print. So you get a stylist, and that stylist will pick out 5 items for you. You pay, as obviously if you use my link, you will get a £15 credit, but normally you would pay a £10 styling fee. If you keep any of those 5 items, that £10 will be redeemed off of that item. If you keep all 5 items, you get an additional 20% discount. The thing I love most about these fixes is it gets sent to your door on the day that you request it, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your home. And I just love that about it. You don't need to go traipsing around the shops and in changing rooms. It's all at home in your own comfort. You decide what you want to keep, you send back what you don't want to keep. It's free of charge. You get a returns label, you put it back in the box, you take it to the post office, gone. You check out online, and then they charge you for the items that you keep. And that's it, simple. Any of the items that you decide that you don't want to keep, or maybe something you get something that you love it, but maybe the fit isn't just right, maybe too small, too big, they'll exchange that. If they've got it available, they will exchange the size for you as well. It's great. So as I say, use my link below, get £15 off of your first fix. Go for it. What have you got to lose? And I bet you'll find something in that box that you absolutely love. Anyway, until next time, take care. Bye.